Welcome to the tutorial where we'll dive into the basic of Nuke, a powerful tool for VFX compositing. In this video, we'll cover the basic of interface essential for anyone starting with visual effects or compositing. You'll notice the interface is designed for efficient workflow in compositing. Here we have our node graph, area, properties panel, toolbar, and viewer windows. Nodes represent various elements like footages, effects, adjustments. You can zoom in and pan by clicking middle mouse button. This is our viewer where we can see our output. Whenever a node is selected, its properties appear here. The toolbar gives quick access to the commonly used tools and functions such as transforming nodes, masking, and more. We can customize our Nuke interface by dragging panels and can save by your name. For importing footage, we have to take read node by pressing R, or you can drag and drop directly in Nuke. Press 1 to view your footage. Now we will fix the project setting by pressing S. We will take 720 as our project setting. Now we will drag our BG for adding both the footage. We will take merge node. In merge you will get two pipes. A means foreground, B means background. Now we will add A to car and B to road to get proper output. Now we will drag out matte painting. Now we will fix the resolution of the matte painting by taking reformat node. Then we will take merge node to add matte painting behind car and road. Now merge will become A, matte painting will become B. Now we will take transform node by pressing T to adjust the size of the matte painting. Now we will take crop node by searching through tab button to fix the bounding box. We have explored the basic interface of Nuke, understanding its node-based system, properties panel, toolbar, and views. Don't hesitate to practice and experiment. Nuke can be complex, but with time, you will master its powerful capabilities. In this session, we will learn how to create alpha and how to copy alpha in Nuke. This is our BG. We have to add our foreground which has alpha in it. To check alpha, we have to press A on a keyboard. We will merge both images and we will get this result. We are getting some stretchy things on edges, and for that we will add primer to fix the edges. What primer do is it will keep alpha and removes everything. In the second way, we have alpha and RGB separate. In this case, we will take copy node to add alpha in RGB. And take primer to extract character from RGB and then merge foreground over the background. In the third way, we will use a keyer to make alpha. We will shift a line towards the end and then invert it to get alpha of the characters, and add primer to extract it from RGB and then merge foreground over the background. In this session, we will learn masking and color matching. First, we will take a roto and take a Bezier tool to mask eyes roughly. And add feathers by pressing Ctrl. Then we will copy the alpha onto the eyes and then add primer. To extract eyes, we will merge both the images and rearrange the eyes position. And then add grade node to the eyes pipe. Then in all channel we will adjust the brightness of the footage. This way we will match the color. In this session, we will learn the process of keying. For keying, we have to first denoise a plate. I will take this analyze area to the plane area and add value 3 in the denoise. Then I will take key light and pick the green color from the footage. For refining alpha, we will go to screen matte and we will tweak clip black and clip white to get proper alpha. And we will copy the key light. In the second key light, we will refine the hairs. And mask the layer frame by frame to get proper hairs. And then we will merge both the key light together, and then we will merge the background. We will remove the extra stand part from foreground by stenciling it from the alpha. And we will add edge blur to our alpha to blend the edges. This way our key is done. I will take contact sheet to check our result. In this session we will learn 2D tracking. For 2D tracking we will take tracker node. In tracker node, we will add points to track the footage. We will place the points to the contrasty area to get proper track. After placing the points, we will hit the track button. After analyzing, we will select both points and go to transform and change none to match move and set reference frame. This way we have tracked the footage, then add tracker node to our BG pipe to track the background. We will do garbage roto of the character to ignore the movement of the character. First we will solve the camera to get the exact movement of the shot. For that we will take some camera tracker node. Then in camera tracker we will add points. I have taken 260 points. Then in mask I will take source alpha to get rid of the character movement. I just want the camera. Then press track. After track we will delete the yellow and red points and then solve the camera. After tracking we will create the scene. Now we will place the card to check our track. It's working fine. We will continue by adding more cards. Then we will add our background in place of our checkerboard and adjust the size of the card to match the footage. We got the track here.